Hi there, my name is Brad Samuels, and welcome to the Foundationz Sacred Journeys YouTube channel. On this channel, I invite you to explore and integrate spiritual abundance and material abundance. So on the one hand, we discuss the inner world, the world of energy, the world of manifestation, and the world of really coming back to ourselves and finding wholeness so that we can actually live more peacefully and presently in our lives. So we kind of talk about those kinds of concepts. And on the other hand, we discuss the world of entrepreneurship, the world of business creation, practical skill development, things that we can do so we can actually create in the world from our heart center. And that is what I call the entrepreneurial journey. So my intent is really to provide teachings, tools, and insights that can be useful for you on your journey. I hope you find value on this channel.